The Wampus Cat, also known as the Cherokee Death Cat, is a large panther-like creature described as part cat and part dog, seen throughout American folklore, Cherokee mythology, and tales from lumberjacks. The Wampus Cat is known for having a haunting howl, glowing yellow eyes, and 6 legs. Some depict it as a violent, mischievous bipedal animal, blaming it for forest fires and chaos in the woods, while in other stories, it's reported to be a respectful and helpful figure to Native Americans. In Cherokee mythology, the cat is tied to stories of betrayal and mistrust, such as a story of a woman forced to wear a mountain lion's skin after spying on her husband. Another story describes it as a shape-shifting witch that kills livestock in the night. It also stands as a mascot for several high schools, but have you seen